Good morning, students. This is B.N. Jha. Welcomes you in the e-learning program of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. My dear students, today we are going to start a new lesson, electric current and its effect. Dear students, today we are dependent on energy, and among all the forms of energy, electric energy is the most convenient and controllable source of energy. Electricity is nowadays used everywhere, at our home, shops, marketplace, industries, school, and many other places. We run our appliances, and most of the appliances in our houses are based on electrical energy. Electric current provides a form of energy that is called electrical energy. Students, so far as the topic is concerned, electric current, that means continuous flow. So what is continuous flow that makes electric current? Continuous flow of charges through a conductor is called electric current. So when electric charge flows continuously through a conductor, which needs a path through which electric current can flow, and the path is understood by electric circuit. So what is electric circuit? Students, the closed conducting path through which electric current flows is called electric circuit. Once again, the closed conducting path along which electric current flows is called electric circuit. Students, in an electric circuit there are some components like battery, switches, electrical appliances, resistance, conducting wire, cell, battery, etc. These components are called elements of electric circuit. So today we will know about the symbols of electrical elements, because we cannot draw the diagram of every component to show electric circuit, and therefore it is needed to express the different components of an electric circuit by symbol. And this is because we have to know about the symbol of electrical components. So the students, see on the board here components, electric components and symbol. First is electrical cell. Electrical cell is denoted by this symbol. Second is electric bulb, on, that is glowing. Glowing electric bulb are shown by this symbol. Electric bulb, off, this is denoted by this symbol. Switch on is denoted by this symbol. Switch off is denoted by this. Battery is denoted by this symbol. And resistance is the seventh. Resistance is denoted by this symbol. This is the symbol of resistance. So, wires crossing without being connected. You may express the 8th symbol. Wires crossing without connection. Without connection. And wires crossing together. Wires connected together. Wires connected together. Wires connected together is shown by this diagram. So these are the symbols through which we can denote the different elements of electric circuit. So my dear students, today this is just introduction class of this chapter. We will know how to draw electric circuit tomorrow. Okay, thank you.